up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, or thank you for stopping by if you're new here. As you can see from the title and what I have in my hands, this is a raffle W of the University Blue Jordan 1. But before we get into the sneaker, there's something I need to get off my chest. I think the University Blue Jordan 1 is by far the worst Jordan 1 to have hit us in terms of quality check. Because I hit on Nike.com when I was in Mangalore for my vacation. I hit on a University Blue Jordan 1 and that came in the mail and I was super excited. But when I got in hand, it was so disappointing. Now look at some of these videos that I shot. Take a look. These came in from Nike.com. I copped them. I was lucky enough to get them in my size. And I was looking forward to it because, you know, there's been so much hype around it. A lot of people have been taking L's. But man, I gotta say, this has been by far the most disappointing Jordan 1. If you've been to my channel before, you know I have a massive thing for Jordan 1s. I try and get my hands on any colorway that I possibly can, but with this specific one, if I'm entirely honest, I wasn't really feeling this colorway. A UNC pair that isn't really a UNC pair. It's more like the Rookie of the Year color blocking, and the materials as well are reminiscent of that pair. If it went for the quality issues, I probably would have still kept this pair to rock in summer, you know, with shorts or something. But unfortunately, there are so many irregularities that I just can't stand to have this in my collection. I know can't stand to have it in my collection is probably too strong a statement to make, but man, the way they mess this up. I mean, how GR is this pair? How GR is GR, I guess. Even the tongue had stains. Yeah, look at that. Even the tongue had some stains, glue stains carrying over from the sides of the shoe. QC is so questionable. Like, look at this toe box, for instance. What's that? It's a little box, a toe box. Nah, man, I wasn't feeling this color to begin with, if I'm really honest. But now, looking at all of these issues and irregularities, I'm gonna have to give these a pass. But you see these stains right here, midsole, and look at this. It looks like it's gonna come out any moment now. Still gotta smell it though. Oh man, baby. Right? You see what I mean? And as if that wasn't enough, I saw this image on Instagram. Like, how GR? People are saying that the number of pairs are limited. It's not really widely distributed or whatever. But how many pairs did you make for you to not even care about the output of the product? You know what I'm saying? I mean, we are looking forward, we're waiting for these sneakers. First of all, this isn't the UNC that we wanted. And secondly, when you're giving us a pair, we'll take it, but at least put it together well. You know what I'm saying? I've been rambling on. Now let me take you through the pair that I won on the Super Kicks raffle. You know what it is. Your regular Jordan 1 box. So when I went into the store, I obviously und'd the pair. So I broke off the lace bag and I also laced them up. And there you have it. The Jordan 1 University Blue. It came with a set of spare laces, this blue. Now I gotta tell you something, this is like appalling or whatever, I don't know. The blue on the upper is like this faded powder blue. The blue on the sole is like how the UNC blue would be in the earlier model. And this blue is a different blue. Like all three of them are different shades of blue. And this pair didn't come with white laces, so I'm just gonna keep the black laces on. But this pair, take a look. Take a look at it. A moment to appreciate. I don't know if I can call this appreciation, but although admittedly far better than the Nike.com pair, this one is not without flaws. For instance, what is that? That's not even a glue stain. That's straight up glue on the upper, the new upper, you know? And look at this as well. It's almost like the leather's coming off. Very poorly put together. And like I was saying, It's very similar to the Rookie of the Year pair, which I have with me right here. The color blocking and the materials used are almost identical. The UNC is essentially the same pair. The same materials on the toe box and the side panels are on this UNC pair as well, and the same similar kind of material, you know, the Durabuck, Nubuck, or whatever you call it. This pair is quite beaten up though. Well, that's the insole for you. White nylon tongue with the tag right there. You know that Nike is not going to last more than 2 wears, so might as well enjoy it while it lasts. So that's about it. Obviously I did the smell test on the Nike.com pair. Industry standard glue. And it's so strong, it looks like they threw in extra dollops of glue. No wonder we have these glue stains all over the pair, huh? So yeah, it's a Nubuck upper, tumble leather. The white panels are all tumble leather. All the blue panels are all Nubuck. The black panels are tumble leather, but they're very matted out. And that's about it. I've said everything else. that I need to say about this pair. That was my pizza. Yeah, I'm sorry, I got a rush. Get that pizza. The lining on this pair has a very satin-like feel. Yeah, that's what it is. A lot of people look at the pictures that I posted on Instagram right here, and they're like, clean pair, matte pair. For sure, it's got a very yacht party, wearing all linen, you know, a Miami Vice kind of a vibe to it. That's what I feel, at least. I think it's because of the shade of blue. But yeah, it's just so disappointing that they put the pair together so poorly. I don't think I'm gonna do an on-feet because you know how they look on-feet. Or should I? Oh, fine, I'll do that. So that's it for the University Blue Jordan 1. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Did you guys hit a W on any raffle, or did you buy them off Nike.com, or are you gonna pick them up from a reseller? Do you love the pair that much despite all the flaws? And if you watched all the way to the end, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Completely forgot. I also received this care package from the guys at Super Kicks. Now, it's got a lovely note from Sangeet. Thank you for supporting us in our journey. Handwritten face mask, Super Kicks branded. Sneaker wipes from Sneaker Lab. So see right there. My favorite thing of all in this package is the tie-dye socks. Give me a second, let me wash down the pizza. Yeah, I was saying the tie-dye socks, but there you go. These are the 2 tie-dye socks. So shout out to the guys at Super Kicks for the raffle W and these cool socks.